Hi, if you're feeling behind in 2026, calm down, relax, breathe, and just understand we are in week 2 of 2026. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You will be fine. I know there's a lot of content going around of like, oh, we did this last year, end of the year, to plan for this. Like, no, everyone is different, everyone does things at a different pace. And if you aren't there, it's fine. I have a bullet journal I haven't started yet. I'll get there. I was with family yesterday. I'm going to be by a friend today. I saw another friend in the week. I've been chilled. It's not that deep. The year is long. We're not even halfway through the first month. It's okay. It'll be fine. Just take it one day at a time. It's never too late to start. It's Sunday. Do a Sunday reset. But don't stress. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Okay? Love you. Bye.